Hey guys, so Kim called me yesterday afternoon and said that the air conditioner was making a funny noise. So I told her to turn it off. And when I got home, I came out here, turned it on, and you could hear it making the sound of the compressor trying to kick in. And it'd do that for a second, and then it'd stop. And then like a minute later, it'd try and kick in, and it'd stop, which tells me it's probably the starting capacitor. Which the starting capacitor this unit needs is a 440, 40 plus 5. So we're about to change that out. And like I had some other cooler things I wanted to get done today, but right as I was about to go get started, I got called into work. So I've been at work all morning, and so now it is mid-afternoon. I'm just getting started on the air conditioner. And the air conditioner is up in the air, so that makes it a little bit more challenging. The power's already off. Here, let me show y'all what I'm looking at. So, turn some light on. See how the top of this one is nice and flat? And the top of this one is kind of bulged up looking. That's an indicator that it's probably not good. So, you'll see we're going to put the new connections on the same way as the old connections were. I take one off, put it over here, 2, 3. Easy peasy. And then we'll go put the power back on it and see if it'll run, which it should. Yep.
I'm gonna run Jada up to the Dollar Store right quick. Is that
Okay. All right. I guess I can take all this down. No, I need that. I'll go turn the power on right quick and see if it'll actually come to life like it's supposed to. Turn that back on. Turn this to cool. Yeah. That's what it's supposed to do. Not make all those sketchy, scary meh sounds. Now I'll put the housing back on it and we're done. Looks like I'm missing one. Huh. Alright. There we go. The unit's put back together. Let's go see if it's putting out cold air. So right now in this hallway, we are getting, my glasses, I can't see. Looks like 68, but I'm blind. Yep, 68 degrees. Here in the kitchen, 69 degrees. Coming out of that AC vent, 52, 54, Looks like it's cooling. So there you go, folks. That repair is done. Like I said, it doesn't, not much to it. Picking up tools and putting them away took more time, and well, going and running and getting the parts took more time than actually getting it done. Alright guys. Well, I guess that's all I've got for this week. God bless y'all. Thanks for watching, and remember, like and subscribe.